Sudhiti Naman and a pleasant morning, students. Now I am going to explain building blocks. This is the grammar part of chapter 2, and your topic is noun. Students, as you all know that in my previous videos I explained noun, types of noun, etc. So here I will explain in short. Okay. Noun, as you know that noun is the name of person, place, animal or things. These names for people, place, animals and things are called naming words or nouns. Read the sentences. Last week, Pengu pretends to go to Paris to see the Eiffel Tower. In Paris, Pengu meets a parakeet and a pelican. They decide to paddle across the pond in a paddle boat. In these sentences, Pengu is the name of a particular person. Pengu is the name, Paris is the name, Eiffel Tower is the name. Yes, so all these names are nouns. Now you will do let's try 5. Read the following words carefully and circle the nouns. You will do let's try 5 in your book. I am telling you, you will listen carefully and then you will circle the nouns. First, Pengu, house, eat, dog, India, greedy, pretend, pond, car, English, think, curtain, shiny, Sunday. These are the words. Pengu is the name, so Pengu is noun. House, place, so house is noun. Eat is a verb, so you will not circle it. Dog is a noun. India, noun. Greedy, adjective, so you will not circle it. Pretend, it is not noun. Pond, noun. Car, noun. English, noun. Thing is not noun. Curtain, also noun. Shiny, not noun. Sunday, noun. I will repeat again these answers. Pengu, house, dog, India, pond, car, English, curtain, Sunday. You will circle all these words. Okay. Now your topic is types of noun. As you all know and you can see the previous videos that there are 5 types of noun: proper, common, material, concrete and abstract and collective. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, concrete or material noun and abstract noun. But here you will read only common noun and proper noun, and you all know very well that what is the difference between common noun and proper noun. As common noun indicates general things and proper noun indicates स्पेशल पर्सन और थिंग्स. मतलब कॉमन नाउन जनरल थिंग को इंडिकेट करता है, जबकि प्रॉपर नाउन किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन या प्लेस को इंडिकेट करता है. इन दिस सेंटेंस, दिस इज़ अ बॉय, हिज नेम इज़ रोहित. दिस इज़ अ बॉय, ये एक लड़का है. देयर आर सो मेनी बॉयज, सो बॉय इज़ अ कॉमन नाउन एंड हिज नेम इज़ रोहित. रोहित इज़ द नेम ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर बॉय, सो रोहित इज़ proper noun. Okay. Now you will do, let us try 6. Read the passage given below. Look at the highlighted words. इस पैसेज को आपको ध्यान से पढ़ना है. हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स जो हैं, यानी जो मोटे लिखे हुए हैं, उन वर्ड्स को देखिए एंड डिसाइड वेदर दे आर कॉमन नाउन्स और प्रॉपर नाउन्स. और आपको ये देखना है कि वो कॉमन नाउन है या प्रॉपर नाउन है. राइट देम इन द करेक्ट बॉक्स. इनको आपको सही बॉक्स में लिखना है. आगे आपकी एक बॉक्स दिया हुआ है. इस बॉक्स में एक कॉमन नाउन का बॉक्स है और एक प्रॉपर नाउन का है. कॉमन नाउन आपको कॉमन नाउन वाले बॉक्स में लिखने हैं और प्रॉपर नाउन आपको प्रॉपर नाउन वाले बॉक्स में लिखने हैं. आफ्टर दैट अरेंज द नाउन्स इन एन अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. व्हेन यू विल write these common nouns and proper nouns in different boxes, after that you will arrange these nouns in alphabetical order. Okay, first of all we will read this passage. Pengu took the train from Paris to London. Pengu proper noun, Paris proper noun, and London proper noun, but train common noun. Okay, she had never been to this city before. City common noun because there are so many cities. At King's Cross station there were people everywhere. King's Cross station proper noun and people common noun. They carried suitcases and bags as they rushed. Suitcases and bags common noun. They rushed to work. She heard the bells of a big clock. Bells common noun, clock common noun. Was this the Big Ben? Big Ben is a name, so it is proper noun. She went out through the gate. Gate is common noun. She saw a wide river with a bridge and walked across. River common noun and bridge is also common noun. Was this a famous river? Thames. Thames is the particular name of a river, so Thames is proper noun. Now students, you will as you listen, you will write the common nouns in this common noun column and proper noun in proper nouns column, and after that you will arrange these nouns in alphabetical order. In this way you will complete Let's Try 6. I will tell you answer, but first you will try to do it yourself. I told you half answer, आधा आंसर हम आपको बता चुके हैं कॉमन नाउन्स कौन कौन से हैं और प्रॉपर नाउन कौन कौन से हैं, बट अब आपको अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में आप उसको अपने आप लगाएंगे और उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट डे आपको इसके आंसर शो करेंगे. ओके, नाउ इट्स लेट्स ट्राई 7. इन लेट्स ट्राई 7 राइट एनी प्रॉपर नाउन फॉर ईच कॉमन नाउन. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर, अगर आपको याद हो तो आपको एक एक्सरसाइज कराई थी कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन की. द सेम एक्सरसाइज इज हियर, बिल्कुल वही एक्सरसाइज है. आपको कॉमन नाउन्स दिए हुए हैं और उनके आंसर में आपको प्रॉपर नाउन लिखने हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल जस्ट लाइक mountain. Mountain is common noun, and when we give a name of any mountain, then it is proper noun as Himalaya. So Himalaya is proper noun and mountain is common noun. Or we can see Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is the name of a particular mountain, so Kanchenjunga is proper noun. Okay, then you will do Let's Try 7 yourself and I will tell you answer tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.